G'day, it's Matt here. I'm going to walk you through solving one of the newest frustrations that I've discovered in DaVinci Resolve, and this is where I've been trying to apply a video transition to two assets that I've got here. So at the moment, I am just moving from one track into the next there. It's not exactly the prettiest of ways to do it, but the challenge I've found is, regardless of what transition type I'm choosing, you used to be able to drag and drop those straight on top there, but it just doesn't want to work anymore. Turns out the issue is there's not enough extra clip length or track for the effect to be applied to. So I'm going to just eyeball it and pull this back over this way. And we'll try and get that as close to a duplicate as possible. There is probably an easier way to do this, but let's see how we go. Then when I drag and drop the effect over the top, you'll notice that effect does actually apply. Now, if you want that effect to be over a longer period, you can't drag the edges of the effect and move it over, right? So if you want equal duration, let's use that. Pull that back over there. Nudge these two together again. Just come over and let's drop that effect on, and now you can see that it increases the length of that effect for the transition. Hopefully that helps you, and the frustrations that you're experiencing with DaVinci, you're not going through it alone. Some of the things they change sometimes just baffle the community, but hopefully that one helps you.